Hi everyone, this is Anuj Bhardwaj, digital marketer and entrepreneur. So, if you want to get rich, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then please watch this video till end. In this video, you will get understanding of customer and how to print money for yourself. How rich people print money for themselves. So, let's start. There are basically four kind of customers. First customer are those who are cheap customers. They like just cheap products. So if you are targeting this kind of customer, then research about that kind of customer. Don't research about every kind of customer. Second are those customers who will buy, but when they will buy, no one can say. Third customer are those customers they will buy once they get warm. Fourth are those customers who buy high ticket products. They don't buy cheap products. They buy only premium products. So first is cheap, they will buy low price, low ticket product. Second, when they will buy, no one know. Third, they will buy up to product of 1 lakh. And the fourth, they will buy premium product only. So decide which kind of customer you are dealing with. Don't deal with every kind of customer. And especially I focus on third type of customer who will buy once get warm. Yeah, they will not buy premium product, but they will buy affordable product. You can also focus on premium, but you have to keep everything the same way. So this is about a customer. Without doing this research, you cannot succeed in business, not even in sales. If you are in a sales, then you cannot succeed without it. And one more thing I like to say about the salespeople, that 8 out of 10 billionaire in this world are salesmen. So if you are a salesman, then 80% probability is there that you will become a billionaire. No other have such power or authority except salespeople. And many people see the salesman, what they think he will sell something to. No, I you get worried that he will sell something. Look at him, listen to him. You may get tremendous return from his product. So this is the wrong mentality in mind of many people. This happens to me also many times. People think that he will sell something, and selling is serving and helping is selling. So we have understood about customers. Now let's get to the formula of printing money. How rich people print money for themselves, how you can print money for yourself. The formula is ROI. Now what is ROI? No, it is not rate of interest. It is return on investment. It doesn't matter how much investment you have to make or you have made. It matters that what return that investment will give. For example, if you hired a person with 2 lakh of salary, a salesperson with 2 lakh of salary, and he is making sale of 2 crore, then his return is 100 times. So he is very profitable for you. Due to that person, ROI is more. So it doesn't matter that salespeople take 2 lakh or 1 lakh or 5 lakh. How many times return he is giving, that does matter. Same is for example of marketer. It doesn't matter how much investment you made. It matters that how much return you get. For example, Airtel invested 2 crores in his tune, and the year its tune was launched, Airtel get benefit of 1000 crores. Their profit get tripled, their revenue get tripled. So just 2 crore of investment and they get return of 1000 crore. So it doesn't matter how much money they are investing, it matters that how much return they are getting. Let's take example of telecallers. If suppose you have two telecallers, one takes salary of 5000, his return is 15,000. Another is taking salary of 20,000, he is giving return of 20 lakh. Now 100 times return, that 20,000 is very affordable for you. I don't say affordable, it is cheap for you. But the 5,000 you are investing, that is not affordable for you. So the 20,000 is cheap for you. The 5,000 is precious for you. So it does matter that how much return you are getting on your investment. It doesn't matter that how much investment you are making. So this is formula to get rich. Now implementation. You need to implement this thing in your life. ROI will print money for you, and customer selection. It will help you to increase your business. Now don't implement it directly. First choose the category of customer with which you are going to deal. I recommend to focus on affordable customers who buy product up to 1 lakh. So the risk will be minimum, customers will be more. Suppose if you acquired a premium customer of 5 lakh and you acquired 5 customer of 1 lakh each, then what will happen? If 5 lakh customer will go, 5 lakh will go, but 5 people with 1 lakh each, all will not go suddenly. And try to focus on recurring revenue model. Don't try to focus to get a lots of money in one time project. Try to get project from which you can get recurring revenue. So how we can create this is over you, that what kind of business you are doing. But I specifically focus on model with a recurring revenue model, because acquisition is new acquisition is 7 times costlier than retention. So retention based business is quite good for everyone. So the very first thing today, do that, calculate your ROI and keep focusing on increasing ROI. That how ROI can be increased. Take help from the marketers, take help from the salespeople, take help from the remaining staff. And if you tell the remaining staff to focus on retention, it will be good, because salespeople will bring business and the remaining team will do retention, which is very easy. So I hope today's video is very interesting, and if you like this video, then press the like icon and subscribe it if you want to get videos like this in future also. And please watch this video again and understand, it will open many doors for you to get rich. And especially salespeople, be motivated, because 80% of billionaire in this world are salesperson. So you are going to be a billionaire. So that's all for today. Next day we will focus on some other things. Next topic. Till then, bye.